So welcome back guys. Let's see the practical part of interface. Here we are going to create out the interface with the name as animal. Okay, and this animal would be having the this animal interface would be having the interface methods as, let's say, sleep, because animal is sleeping, right? We all know that. So let's just create, let's just declare the method with the name as sleep. Okay, and we are going to just implement out this method inside the implementation class, right? Let's create a class. Let's say I have a class of pig, okay, which is implementing the animal class, right? So for this we need to define out here sleep class, right? Sleep method, which we have declared inside the interface, right? And what sleep class would be doing? I'll just simply type here sleeping. Okay, let's have another method here for pig class. Let's say white pig, and this method would contain pig class. So yes, let's declare this as public as well. Okay, I have the public class main. I'm creating out the object for pig p. Okay, let's try to call the pig method, of course. Okay, and let's try to call the sleep method, and let's just try to give here public static void main, and let's just try to save and try to run it. So we got the pig class and sleeping because we have called out the implementation method, and we have called out the pig class method as well. This is how you can use out the interfaces. We have created out the animal interface, we have declared out the sleep method, we have implemented that sleep method in the implementation class, which is a pig class, and we have called out the implementation and the normal method of pig class, right? I hope this is understandable. Let me know if any questions and queries are there. Thank you so much.